Years ago, in a quiet village, a girl named Lila had a big dream. She wanted a full life with food and happiness. Every morning, she stood by her mud wall. She pinned up pictures of gold coins and green fields. Money comes to me easily. Good things happen to me. She said this over and over. She tried to feel happy inside, but nothing changed. Her plate empty. Her fields dry. Months passed. Lila felt sad and lost. Why doesn't it work? She asked herself. One evening when the sun was low, she walked up the hill to an old monk by a simple, still pond. The water was clear and calm, just a natural mirror reflecting the sky and trees around it. No magic, just the truth. She sat down and cried, "Master, I think good thoughts every day. Why is my life still hard?" The monk smiled softly. He lit a small lamp. The light danced on the water's surface. "Come closer, Lila. This pond is no spell. It's like Buddha's Bodhi tree, showing what's real inside you." People today forget old wisdom. They think happy thoughts alone do everything. Lila looked in. She saw her face, fake smile, sad eyes. The water stayed dark. "Thoughts are like seeds," the monk said, "but seeds need dirt and hands to grow. You must feel good inside and then do something." Lila's heart beat fast. "What do you mean?" she asked. "The law of attraction is not just wishing. It's like a magnet. Feel the good in your heart. Then take a step." Buddha didn't just sit and dream. He got up and tried. Lila said quietly, "Good things come to me." She felt a little warm inside. The water glowed a bit from the lamp's reflection, then went dark again. "Good start," the monk said. "Now go plant one seed in your field tonight, even if it's dry." That night, under the stars, Lila dug a small hole. She dropped in one seed. The next day, rain came. A tiny green shoot popped up. But wait, her story has a bigger secret. If this old wisdom touches you, hit subscribe now. Stick with me to the end, because what the pond showed her last will change how you dream forever. Lila went home and followed the monk's 3 simple truths every day. Dawn after dawn, she whispered by her mirror. Step after step, she moved forward. Night after night, she gave thanks. Her fields stayed dry at first, but then green shoots spread. Her bowl filled. Villagers knocked, asking her secret. Days went by. Back to the pond, now shining bright from sunlight, the monk shared the 3 simple truths that made it happen. Truth number 1. Feel it like it's real. Every morning, look in a mirror or bowl of water. Breathe slowly. Say 3 times, "Good things grow in me now." Peace comes easy. I get better every day. Feel warm in your heart. Do it for 21 days. Truth number 2. Take one small step. Don't wait. Today, do one thing. Send a message for a job. Help someone. Or try something new. Small steps make big waves. Truth number 3. Say thank you early. At night, light a candle. Say, "Thank you for the good coming my way." Old wise people did this first. Lila's village ate well that year. Everyone learned her secret. And the last whisper from the pond? The real reason most dreams fail. It's not bad luck, it's no action. Try these 3 truths tonight. By next month, you'll see good things start. But do it consistently. Doing it one day and then leaving it incomplete is not going to work. Believe it, take action, and receive it. If Lila's story lights you up, do this now. Morning words plus 1 step today. Comment, "I started." Share with a friend. Your good life pulls you closer. For more such powerful life lessons, subscribe to SARI Universe.